Once you prepare it this way, you won't want to eat mango any other way. I'm going to add 5 small mangoes into a shredder here, but you can use any mango of your choice. Then we'll cover it and grind everything very thoroughly. If you prefer, you could also do this in a blender. It's totally up to you. It will look like this. Now we just need to transfer it to a larger container. Next, we'll add 395 grams of condensed milk, 400 grams of cream, and mix it all together very thoroughly. Now we'll add a packet of already hydrated, unflavored gelatin and mix again. We'll set it aside in a mold. Here I'll add a little diced mango. The amount depends on your liking. After adding, we'll spread it to make everything even in this mold. Once that's done, now we just have to add the mixture on top. And that's it. Just put it in the fridge and let it freeze. After freezing, now we just flip it onto a plate and enjoy. And see how incredible this mango pudding is. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at your home and I'm certain everyone will love it. I hope you liked it. This was another recipe from your humble kitchen. Take care. See you next time and thanks.